Why do strong smell bring on diseases? You would have noticed sometimes that when you go for a party and you will be enjoying yourself and one of your friends just comes and has put on a strong perfume, that moment you start getting a headache or you just start sneezing out of nowhere. Has this happened to you? Have you ever thought why am I having this? Is it a problem? So if you have thought about this or if you are a person who has experienced this, then this video is especially for you. So hi friends, I am Dr. Jyoti Kannan. Welcome to Homeopathic Care. We care for you. And today's topic is that why do we sneeze or why do we get headache or why do we get on diseases because of strong smell? Now we all have a normal smell, and then some people can immediately smell even a small things or change in the particular room. Now the people who are sensitive to smell are people who have got something called as hyperosmia. That is when their smell senses are more active and they can smell everything very easily. Now, who are the people who come up with these problems? Now, what usually happens is that when such people who have hyperosmia, they come in contact with such strong smell, they may bring on a bout of a sneeze, or they may just start getting severe headache, or they say that, oh, at God, I'm feeling very breathless, I've got tightness in my chest, I'm not able to breathe, or may start feeling nausea, or they may just vomit it up. Now these are the people even a small bad smell may not be able to tolerate and may just go end up throwing. So why do some people have this strong sensitivity to smell called as hyperosmia? Now people who are basically allergic, yes, one of the main reasons for having hypersensitivity to smell is allergies. So if they are allergic, they even a smell of incense sticks or even a smell of your wife cooking in your kitchen or a strong smell of some perfume may bring on symptoms like strong headache and severe sneezing and running of nose. Okay, and nose block too. Now there is another people who are more another group of people who are more sensitivity to smell, who are more sensitivity to smell are people who have epilepsy or who get seizures, fits. Now these people also have got a strong sensitivity to smell, and some of the times they may have aura, as a aura, that is just before they get attacked they may get sensitivity to some particular smell, and that may just trigger or bring on the attacks. The third group of people who are sensitive to smell or who have hyperosmia are people who have migraines. Yes, now migraine is a strong kind of headache, and people in their pre-migraine stage, that is just before they are going to attain migraine, may have increased sensitivity to smell. The most common we hear is like when there is a strong smell and they just start feeling that their headache is going to start, and if they are standing in this place where the strong smell is, it may just trigger and bring on a very severe bout of migraine. They may end up with vomiting and throwing up and holding their head, and might go through a hell because of this hyperosmia. The fourth category of people, especially females, who have this hypersensitivity of smell is females during their pregnancy. During the first 6 months, many females during their pregnancy develop hyperosmia, where certain kind of smell might just trigger and make them throw up. They may feel nauseating, they may vomit a lot. It might be because of the smell of the milk or smell of the tea or smell of certain food items or certain smell in the room might just trigger and bring on hyperosmia. Then the next category of people, like people who are usually obese, have got hypersensitivity to smell. They might be able to smell certain smells which the other people in the room may not have even smelled it yet. Means they might recognize that some person is entering, or somebody has come with this perfume, or oh, is your perfume jasmine, because see, I can smell it more strongly. So these people have this kind of issues called as hyperosmia. The last category of people who get hyperosmia or increased sensitivity to smell are people who have upper respiratory tract infections, like people who have nasal polyps or sinusitis are the people who are very sensitive to smell. Any strange smell, a bad smell or a good smell may bring on the attack of sinusitis. They may come up with severe headache as if they are not able to bear. They may not be able to bend down and they may feel dizzy. They may get vertigo, feel the nose is blocked. Everything triggered by a smell. So sinusitis is also one of certain causes which can bring or make you hypersensitive to smell. So now you might be thinking that I have told so much about the hypersensitivity to smell and so many diseases which are triggered by it. Then what is the solution? Oh yes, before you follow or continue watching my video and understand the solution, if you have not yet subscribed, do subscribe to my video and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that every time I upload a video, you get a notification and it energizes you to see what is the next interesting topic coming above. Then, so let's again go back, like what is a solution if we have this hypersensitivity to smell? Then the best solution is always homeopathy. Let it be allergies, we have got the best medicine for you to combat allergy and you just have to take them and you might be able to come out of this hypersensitivity. I've got people who have come and tell me that, you know doctor, if I used to enter a room which was not opened before or which was dusty, the moment I just step into that room, I used to sneeze and my lungs will come out, like I used to sneeze like that. Now these people, after they take homeopathic medicines, the tendency, frequency, intensity, everything comes down, and they have come and told me, I'm so happy that now when I'm working I'm in government sector, I go open my files also, I'm able to manage. I don't get sneezing, and my body is able, as body's resistance has increased like anything. Now for fits or seizures, many people are skeptical. Does homeopathy has got lot to offer? And the answer is yes. If you have seizures or epilepsy fits, then of course homeopathy has got a lot to offer, and as you continue the medicines, you see that the intensity and frequency in which the seizures come, just reduces. I had a female who used to get a female patient who used to get seizures every time, means in the sleep. And how she will make out, you might ask me, how does she know that she used to have seizures? Because the next day she might be having a swollen tongue and she'll be having severe pain because of which she is not able to eat. Now with homeopathic medicine she was fully cured and she was not taking any other medicine. She could combat and come out of the epilepsy just with homeopathic medicine. Now the third most cause which I told is migraine. Yes, migraine was also about very effective medicines in homeopathy. There are patients with a standing of migraine with a standing of almost 20 years, and they have come out of this migraine attacks with the help of homeopathy. So whatever be the question, whatever be the cause, there is always solution for it in homeopathy. You just like my video, I have made some interesting topics before also. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and share so that you keep watching such interesting videos always. Okay friends, stay happy and healthy. Bye.